Okay guys, so what we have right now is we have it hooked up to the back of it, and we don't know what we're gonna do, but it's hooked up to the back real good. So I don't know, we're probably gonna do like a longboard or a skateboard or something like that on the back of it. We can find it over there. Yep, so we're gonna use that, and we're probably gonna go over here or something like that. I don't know, but I hope y'all enjoy. All right.
Brian, lay on your stomach. Lay on your stomach, Brian.
He just slipped knocked, that's not gonna help him.
What are you doing?
Shut up!
Stop!
Stop it. If you guys it, yes we do it. No, yes.
Brian, you do it next? Go 360. Okay, turn around. Easy 360. Go, turn. Turn.
Turn.
Alright, let's get ready.
What? Stop! Stop! Stop it! Stop it! Stop! Come on! Yes! Come on! Brandon! You need that! You need that! Oh! Lay down! Lay down!
Get it out of my back. Hey guys, we had so much fun making that video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel if you're already not. And I hope y'all have a great rest of the day because we had so much fun. So, see y'all later. Bye.